Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Vtiger CRM. Vtiger CRM is a highly rated, affordable CRM that has numerous features. For example, if I were to hover over features, you can see that you will get the regular sales automation that you get on most CRMs, but they also offer sales enablement and pipeline management and numerous other features. I will be giving you a full walkthrough of their platform. To get started, you can tap on their 15-day free trial period link in the top right hand corner, and I will be leaving a link in the description that you can use to click on to sign up. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And by the way, if you want to see their prices, you can see right here. You can see that it starts off at $30 per month, which will be billed annually. Depending on the amount of users, that price will vary, as you can see right there. They charge $30 extra per user. So this is definitely not the cheapest CRM, but it is affordable when you see the different features. Now let's dive in. Once you sign up, you will be redirected to the contacts page, and more than likely you're going to be adding your contacts first on your CRM. So all you will need to do is tap on add contacts. Once you have done that, from here you can manually add in your contacts right here if you want. Another thing that you can also do is you could tap on the drop down option right where you see add contacts, and you could tap on import contacts. Once you have done that, if you have a CSV, you can simply tap right here and you could upload your CSV file and then tap on next, and from there you'll be able to import your contacts. If you would like to get your contacts from a different platform that you were previously signed up to, if you would like to import your contacts from a different platform, I will show you how to do that later on in the tutorial. Now, if we should tap on the settings cog right here, from here you'll be able to customize how your contacts dashboard look. So as you can see here, your contacts fields and layout, you can change that, and you can also set up web forms if you want by simply tapping on set up web forms. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page, and from here you could fill out the web form information. Then you would tap on save, and you can see the different settings feature in the left hand menu option. But let's go back to the main dashboard. Once on the main dashboard, you can tap on the plus right here for quick create, and this will simply give you all of the features that are available on this CRM at the touch of a button. So I showed you how to create contacts. Now if we were to tap on document right here, you can create your first document. You can either upload a document if you want, or you could tap on new document, and from here you can type in the document name. Then you could add in the information right there, then tap on save if you want. So you can quickly create a document. Another thing that you can also do, if we were to tap on tasks at the top left hand corner, from here you can create your first task. To create a task, all you will need to do is tap on add task. After you have tapped on add task, from here you can input the task name. Then you can assign it to an individual. So you can assign it to an individual by tapping on assign to. Then you can estimate the time, so you can do that right there, and you can set the due date. Then you can choose the stage it is in, so whether it is pending, in progress, or skipped, you can select that right there. You can also set the priority. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save, and that's it. That's how to create a task using this platform, Vtiger. Another thing that you can also do is by tapping on sync, you'll be able to sync all tasks. So you can see right there, you can keep your task info in sync with other applications such as Gmail, Office 365, QuickBooks by enabling real-time sync. so you will be able to integrate other platforms and you can sync them. Another thing that I also want you to show you how to do is you can tap on the plus right here. Then you can scroll down, and to create a deal pipeline, you could tap on deal. Then from there, you can see right there, you can enter the deal name. After you have entered the deal name, you can enter the amount, and you can also create an organization by tapping on the plus. After you have done that, you can fill in the expected close date. You can choose the stage that the pipeline is in. So you can choose sales stage right there. And you can also choose who you'd like to assign it to. Then you'll tap on save. Another thing that you can also do, if we were to tap on the plus once more, you can also create a quotation. So you could tap on quote, and you can see how to create a quotation right here. All you'll need to do is fill in the necessary information, better yet, the subject, the quote stage, and also the organization name, and the basic information you'll normally fill in for a quotation, as you can see right here. Then you'll simply tap on save, and from there you'll be able to export your quotation if you want. And if we were to tap on the plus once more, from here you can tap on campaign, and then from here you could fill in the campaign name and all of the necessary information, as you can see right there. I'm just giving you a quick rundown of all of the features and the layout, and if you would like to access their help decks, you can do that, and you can also access their service decks. Now you can create different project milestones by tapping on project right here. Then you can add in the project milestone name, and you can also add in the milestone date. And if you would like to create your first product, all you have to do is scroll down, and right where you see product, you could tap right there. After you have tapped on product, you can add in your product name. Then you can select the product type, and you can add in the product price, and so on. So you can do that real quick. And you can also create sales order using this platform and purchase order, as you can see right there. And they also offer an SMS template. So if we were to tap on SMS template, you can see a layout right here. So all you'll need to do is add in the content that you would like to send. Then you can add the template name. You can assign it to an individual. You can select the status, as you can see right here. And then you can select the template type if you want. And from there, you can scroll down and you could save your SMS template. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And if you would like to access even more features, you can access your inbox quickly. You can access your calendar by tapping on calendar right there. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.